Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay, here's what they look like. At the very tip, they have like a cross. Alright, also this is a kind of orange tip. The color code has to do with how much weight it can hold. I think this is the lowest one that can hold about 35 pounds of windows. The other end, it just has a hole for you to screw it to the window. It goes up and down. See that? Let's try one more time. It's already greased up, so you don't need to do anything. See? Like that. I also ordered 2 clips, and here's what they look like. And the other end, there's a hole here for a screw. There is a pin here. So here's the window that doesn't really work. I already moved one of the tension rod on this side. The tension rod has to go from the top. You cannot insert it from the bottom here because there's not enough room. There's a screw and a clip. I have to remove that first. So this tool I made, you might want to like roll it all the way up, about right here, about right here. Then I do 6 turns. That's about the tension I need. So it's in. I just need to put the screw in. So the rod is about $8 from Wasco.com. It's online. And the clip is 97 cents. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.